Alright guys, I'm super glad that you have made your mind to learn GitHub. So here, I just break down the GitHub into three parts. In the first part, I will explain you just a formal definition. In the second, an example. In the third, an example again. So let's get started without wasting any time. Okay, before moving to these parts, I just want to say that GitHub is very easy to understand and it is widely used by an IT companies. It's usually for developers. If you are not developers, then it doesn't mean that you can't use it. You can use it freely. So let's move to the parts. In the first, let's discuss a formal definition. What is GitHub? A GitHub is a code hosting platform. Now, what does it mean? It just mean that GitHub is a project management system, you could say, in other words. Now, how we will do manage our projects here? We just basically upload our offline project, our offline files to the Git repositories. Now, what is Git repositories? For time being, you could say Git repository as an online folder. So here, you will just push the files of your offline folder, which is present in your computer, to these Git repositories. Alright? I mean, upload your content, which is just present in your computer, to these Git repositories or online folders, you could say. Alright? So here you learn just GitHub is an online platform where you can just manage your projects. That's all. Just be clear, okay? And whenever you just move to the GitHub, you will just listen these terms oftenly, which is repositories, branches, commits, pull request, git, fork, and indeed you will see a detailed practical video on it. So now let's move to the second phase or part, which is an example. Now, let's say you just your friends want to see your project or any file of your project. Now, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna pack your bags and go to his home and show them in your laptop? No, of course not. Now you know GitHub. Now you can upload your project into the Git repositories. As I told you that we just upload the projects in the Git repositories. So you can do that and you can share the link of that repository and your friend will be able to see each file of your project. So that's easy, right? Okay, now in the repository you will see two options. One is private and other is public. Now it's completely on you that how do you want to keep your repositories. You can keep it private or public. Public means anybody can access it. Private means only those person can access your repository who you will allow. That's all. Here we first example finished. I mean second phase finished. Let's move to the third. Okay. Here in the third, Git allows you to work on a single project. Now, what does it mean? It means that more than one person, more than one developer can work on the same project with the help of GitHub. Now, let's take an example. Let's say there's two person, John and Bobby. John lives in America and Bobby lives in Australia. Now, just want to work on a single project. How they can do that? As I told you that GitHub provides you a flexibility. I mean, more than one person can work on a same project. So GitHub is the best choice for John and Bobby to work on it. Alright? Doesn't matter where they are. Distance doesn't matter. Okay guys, so let me sum it up for you. Now first, GitHub is what? GitHub is just a platform where you can just manage your projects. Now how will you manage your project? You just upload or push the content of your projects into the online repositories. I mean, or Git repositories, you could say. And the second one is, a biggest advantage is that more than one people can work on a single project. That's all. I know there's a lot more advantages of GitHub, and indeed I can't explain everything. Every advantage is here. So that's the major two advantages which Git has. So that's all for this video. Now after this you will see a lots of practical videos in a simple way, and thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.